Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have another unboxing, but first I want to show you this uh, postage stamps, in which is this is a Christmas stamps from 1988, as we can see. New Zealand Christmas stamps, 1988. Wow, it's a long time ago. As you can see, nice ones. So yeah, I haven't done unboxing lately, not much. But yeah, this one I had it a while back, few weeks I think, but I haven't I haven't opened it because I wanna share it with you when I open it. That's why. So we're gonna open it and see what's inside. All right. Oh, here we go. Just gonna open it here anyway. So I forgot my opener. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Nice. Okay. I don't know why. I like UK 1 pennies. UK 1 penny. I like them. But oh, this one is. Oh no, it is sealed. It will take time again, but yeah, never mind. I think should be good. Should be good coins anyway. Okay, I better get an opener because I cannot open it manually. So okay, this is my trusty knife. How do you even? Okay. Oh no, take me ages. Okay, here we go. I hope it works. This properly. Okay, here we go. I got one. I'm gonna put it in capsules anyway, so. But yeah, here we go. So how you guys doing? I hope you're all doing good. It's been a busy Christmas, and it is actually summer here in New Zealand, so it is good doing much outside activity. Here we go. Two more. Two more coins to be opened up. Yeah, I bought these coins from a shop in Trade Me. I always buy from them. They give me bargain. They probably doesn't even know that their coins are being showed here. The ones that I bought from them. So yeah, I don't say much that that I do coin blogs or videos. So it's a hobby. So here we go. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins. 6 coins, and we'll do this one first. This one is it's very hard to see. It is I think it's a penny. George the Third, I think, or the second. I'm not sure. It's too faded, and I can't even read the date below. I think it's George the Second with the look of it. Yeah, just too faded, eh? George Second, King George the Second. So do this one. It's shiny, very shiny. I don't clean coins, I like it the way they are. And this is a 1 penny from 1807. I can barely read the date below, but it is 1807. And this is King George the Third, or the fourth. The third. This is the third, so this one is the second. So King George the Second, and this one is King George the Third. So this one, of course, it will be older, so it'll be probably 17 something. But this one is 1807. It's a shiny coin, but I like it the way the way it is, not to be polished, of course. So this one is another penny. It's called the cartwheel penny, in which it is too faded to have a look and see what you know. It's too faded. It's a chunky coin. It's a big one. But they also have a bigger one, cartwheel, 2 pence from 1897 as well. Yeah, I can't see much. But this will be 1897 or 1797. Sorry, 1797. Cartwheel penny are 1797. Here we go. And it's another cartwheel. Yep, King George the Third. King George the Third, the grace of God, King. King George the Third. And here we go. They should be below that, but it's a bit faded. See here the seated Britannia holding a trident and shield. Nice one. It's chunky coin. Too. This one. This one, George the Third. This is a penny, smaller than the other ones. And this is, oh wow, nice one. It's 1805, 1806. I think it's 1805 or 1806. It's a bit faded. I think it's 1806. I'm not sure, but yeah, because it was cleaned, but it is an Ireland coin, Irish coin. See Hibernia and Gaelic harp. Nice one, King George. Nice patina, even though it's dark and shiny on the edges. And see the last one. It's another cartwheel penny. I like these old coins. See, it's like someone is stabbing him. King George the Third. Too many patches, and I think it's been bitten on the edge as well. We can see. Nice one. 1797 cartwheel penny. Nice one. It's a old one. I don't know. It's like a bite mark there. Here we go. I like old coins. I like old coins. I like old coins, even though it's worn as well. I bid it below the prices that they're giving, and absolutely, they have these are part of history. These coins, so it's good to have them. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much. And I want to wish you a happy new year as well, because it's new year soon, 2025. And I wish you all the best for this coming year. And hopefully, it's gonna be more peaceful and prosperous for everyone, for peace on earth. Yeah. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.